Only in Benidorm can you see a cat on the beach, guys. Oh, so adorable. Probably a stray, sadly. You do get a fair few strays in Benidorm, but yeah. I don't know why there is actually so many strays here in Benidorm. Why is there so many strays in Benidorm, Mike? Just
Spain, isn't it? It seems to be all over Spain.
yeah, to be honest.
He don't look like starving though, does he?
Is it?
To be honest, no, he looks like he's having a bit of fun. Just chilling on the beach. Anyway, hopefully you can see me. Welcome back to the channel, guys. On what's a slightly duller day compared to what we've had lately. Yeah. Will it rain today? Will we have a bit more of a thunderstorm today? Who knows? Hopefully, mind you, if it does rain or choose to not have a big thunderstorm, it happens when we get home, because my camera ain't waterproof. Anyway, still not a bad day. It's actually rather busy. I think due to cooler weather, a lot more people have come out. Got the Gastro Bar up there. Gonna take a walk up this old road here. Cut back towards town. Oh, Jesus, ow, that blooming hurt, that. Oh. I swear I'm getting old.
Hi guys, isn't it?
What?
I'm going to park right outside. Is food really that bad?
No, I doubt it. Still dead though, still as expensive as well. Funny thing is though, you got 5 guys just here, down of course, if I zoom in, a little kebab restaurant just right there. I don't know how he's going to manage. And as if I'm cute, it has started trying to rain. And as always, me and Mike's just in our Hawaiian shirts, pair of shorts. And guess who's got all the ponchos and brolly hats? Scooter Sue.
Oh, she's following us around, Marcus.
I mean, yeah, if we do see her again, we could like grab him off her. Anyway, flip me around. Real estate shop there. Estate agents. Quite a quiet way, this one actually.
Not real estate, like
I don't know.
guys, it's usually American market.
Estate agents, then.
Estate agents, yes. That's nice building, yeah.
Of course. Where? This one? Yeah, that looks quite cool then. Kinda looks like an apartment you'll see in UK. Like the shape of it. Of course, all these roads that do lead off the front, they do lead all up onto the Med. And of course, the Med being not one of your main shopping areas, you do of course have Dondino over there, great toy shop. Few like shops and cafes just like either side.
Yeah, that first one, mate.
And something common in Benidorm, ice cream shop. Yeah, it's where Mum got that good to go bag from the other week. Gelateria Stromboli, where we had that ice cream and all that. That we're going back through. Yeah, the cake one is like right off in Old Town. Of course as well, flip you around a bit, you do have the Madeira Centro Hotel, which is quite a nice hotel. Seems like today there's building work going on everywhere. I don't know why, just a common thing.
Cooler day, mate.
Probably, yeah. Of course, the shop everyone knows if they've been anywhere in Spain. I'll hop. Trying to give a bit of competition to Duckworld now by selling rubber ducks. €2 for smaller ones, €5 for a medium one, and 25 for a big one, which is pretty big. Tons of great stuff in our lot, guys. Always love having a little look one day. Plus at Christmas, if you're over and you are wanting a naughty elf, an elf on the shelf, I'll hop does them. But you will have to like, get in pretty quick, because I do tend to sell out.
There are a few people coming over this year. Do you think we ought to get a few and then get them to do videos for us?
Maybe.
That's a good idea.
Might be a good idea, yeah. I mean, they are good. And of course, you probably all remember a couple of years back when Sue, mate, me and Mike trace all around Benidorm trying to find one. And in the end, we had to make one, which did not work. One final thing to say in the vid is a lot of the fake homeless are coming back out in Benidorm, so just be careful who you give your money to. Some, yeah, they will be real, they will be genuine, and some probably have a damn sight more money than me and you. Anyway, finish off by trying to look at temperature. I'm 55, so 5 to 2 on a Tuesday. I think it's 28th of July. 28, not too bad. Anyway, guys, sit down now, have a break, because I am shattered. Hit the like, hit subscribe, don't forget, as always, stay safe and stay pissed. And yeah, see you all soon.